Alright, what's up, y'all? It's Janaya, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be like a Q&A video about me, and then I'm going to be slash mukbang. Then I'm going to be eating, I got KFC. I got like a 3-piece chicken tender, fries, macaroni, whatever. And macaroni and mashed potatoes. They mashed potatoes so good. But anyways, yeah, this gonna be a Q&A about me. Ask a few little questions and about me, so y'all can know a little bit about me. And then yeah, that'll be it. But before we get into this video, make sure that y'all like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you will know when I upload a video. Again, you won't miss when I'm on your screen, period. And watch the whole video. All my videos, if you haven't seen our other videos, go down and watch the other videos. Watch the whole thing too, and yeah, subscribe. So, and we're gonna get right into the videos. So, okay, I got my little food right here. So I'm about to open my barbecue sauce. Alright, okay. Alright, so first question, let me see. First question, where I'm from. I am from Cincinnati, Ohio. Yep. I don't like they chicken, but I like they chicken tender though. Next question is, how old am I? I am 22 years old. A lot of people say I don't look like I'm 22. I look like I'm 15 and 16, but I'm 22 years old. Will be 23 this year, at the end of this year. And yeah. Next question. Do I have kids? No, I do not. Y'all already know if I had kids. No, I don't have kids. But when I do have kids, I want to be like 24, 25 when I have a baby. I'll be ready to have a baby. And when I do start having kids, I want like 3 or 4 at the max. But no, I don't have kids. This is good. Next question. What made you start YouTube? What made me start YouTube was, first of all, I love YouTube. It's entertaining. I've been watching YouTube for like years. Like, I think I've been watching YouTube since I was like 16. Just watching different channels, different of the big channels that's out right now. I've been watching it and I liked it. And I just feel like it looked fun, and it's fun. And it really is fun to do YouTube, and it, you know, it puts an extra little oomph in your life, I guess you could say. And yeah, it's just fun. I always wanted to do it just because I've been watching it for years, and I was just thinking like, oh, I can do that. So yeah, that's why I did YouTube. That's why I started a YouTube channel. But yeah. Next question. What's one of your goals? They said, what's one of your goals you want for your channel? I guess, what's a goal that I want to hit on my channel? I ain't gonna be too greedy for right now. I want a goal right now is 100K subs. 100,000 subscribers. That's the goal. That's one of the goals that I want for my channel. So yeah, 100K subs. So, with that being said, if you haven't subscribed, like I said, do it. Press your butt. Alright, next question. Sometimes it's hard to eat and talk. These is good though. Woo! Alright. Next question. What are some of your favorite hobbies to do? What are some of my favorite hobbies to do on my free time? I like to watch movies. Listen to music. Watch movies, listen to music. Probably go to the store and I buy some, put all my money on. But yeah, that's really it. I don't know. I like to travel, but I don't travel that much for real. So yeah, watch movies, listen to music, eat. I like to clean. It's how it sound weird, but I like to clean. So that's what I do on my free time. So next question. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is black. I don't know. I feel like I wear a lot of black, and I feel like black just go with a lot of stuff, and it just, sometimes my skin tone, I like black. I also like red too, so I say red and black. It's like two of my favorite colors. So yeah. What's something this is a good one. Let me see. What's something you told yourself you wanted to do growing up? Growing up, I'm gonna say, if I understand the question, I'm gonna say growing up, I wanted to be a nurse. Go to school. I wanted to graduate high school, go to college to be a nurse. I still can do that, but I don't know. I just don't see that in my vision of my path no more. But still, go to college to be a nurse. That's what I was. Next question. Next caller. What's two of my pet peeves? I got two. Two of my pet peeves. One, like stuff just laying everywhere, like dirty, like a house, like my house or something, or people come over, or my boyfriend, for an example, leave stuff around. Pet peeve, leave stuff around. I like stuff to be neat. Like, I low-key feel like I got OCD. Like, everything got to be in place. Stuff got to be clean, straightened up, all that. Or I just won't feel right. Like, I won't feel right. So, and another one is people lying in your face, and you know they lying, and they know that you know they lying. Like, what you lying for? But they keep going with the lie, even though they know they believe that you know there's a lie. Like, well, that's why it's confusing. You get what I'm saying. But yeah, that's two of my pet peeves. Next question. Next question. What's my favorite food or meal? Let me see. I'm gonna say taco salad. I know it's typical, but taco salad is so freaking good. Especially when you get the onions, the jalapenos, the melted cheese, the sour cream, the lettuce, the everything. It's just good. That's my favorite meal. Taco salad. My favorite meal. Yeah. Comment down below what's y'all favorite meal. If you have one. I know everybody got a favorite meal. Oh! I just noticed something. They forgot my damn drink. I'm gonna have a cotton mouth. Damn. Okay. Next question. Next question. Let me pick one. What was one of your favorite cartoon characters growing up? Oh, that's a good one. I'm gonna say at the very beginning, when I was a little girl, it was Dora the Explorer. I love Dora the Explorer. It's like when I was real little, it was Dora the Explorer. I was obsessed with Dora. Like, I ain't missed not one show. My whole room was Dora. Curtains. Comforter set, curtains, rug, TV, they had a DVD player Dora, like, that was a long time ago. I even had some little clothes that had the Dora had the shirt on there. I was obsessed with Dora. Then, this was around like 4, 5, 6, maybe. Then when I got up to like 12 or like 13, I think it might was 10 or 11 or something. I was obsessed with Hannah Montana. Like, Hannah Montana, obsessed. I just like the door, I had everything. My whole room was Hannah Montana. My mama decorated my whole room Hannah Montana. I had the TV, they had a little DVD player. I had the comforter sets, curtains, rugs, toys. I had the whole 9 yards. I was obsessed. So y'all, Dora, then Hannah Montana. Now, where you see yourself? Where do I see myself in 5 years? I see myself in 5 years. Oh man, I ain't gonna dream. I see myself in 5 years bigger on YouTube. Haven't already got children, at least one. Traveling a lot of places. Engaged. And just living life to the fullest, having fun, and doing what I want freely, and just doing something that I like, just having fun, stuff like that. And whatever good God takes my life, I guess. So stuff like that, I guess. So that's what I see myself in 5 years, at least. Alright. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get this open. Dang, I only got 3 pieces. I only got 1 left. Dang. Alright. Next question. Have you ever played sports? If so, what? I could say that I played sports. Like, I think in middle school, I ran track with this it's like a boys and girls club kind of thing. I ran track. They had a track team. Oh my god, let me tell y'all about this. Basketball. I tried out basketball. That didn't work out. I didn't even make it to one game. Boy, that was horrible. I'm gonna have to tell y'all on another video, but yeah, that was horrible. I tried basketball. That didn't work out. Didn't make it to one game. Barely made it through practice. Then in high school, early high school or something like that, I tried volleyball. Didn't make the team. It was, yeah, other than that, nah, I haven't really played. Other than that, no, really haven't played a sport for real. And my thing is, like, with these tryouts, why had new people try out if you just gonna pick most of the team you already had because they veterans? Why do tryouts if most of the new people trying out ain't gonna make it? Whatever. But that's all good. But yeah, other than that, nah, not really. So yeah. Next question. Let me see. Woo! Next question. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have siblings. I have 2 brothers. Yep, I have 2 brothers. And if you're new here or not, if you're new here, you will see him in the very beginning. I think it was the 7-second challenge. That's one of them. And if you haven't, yeah, go. It's the 7-second challenge. You will see him in that. That's one. Then I got another one. I'm the oldest, so yeah. Ooh. I got 3 pieces and I'm already done with my food. Alright, I'm sorry, y'all. Next question. How long I've been with my boyfriend? I've been with that boy for 5 years. 5 years. We started off in high school. We met in high school. Ever since then, it's been 5 years. 5 years. Wow. Yep. Oh my gosh. This is the first time me eating all day. So I'm so mad they freaking forgot me. Give me my drink. They bogus. And I paid for that. But alright, y'all. I'm gonna do one more question for this video. So, one more question. But I'm so thirsty. Like, alright, last question. What's my birthday? My birthday is December the 5th. December 5th is my birthday. I will be 23. And yes, I'm a Sagittarius. The best sign there is. But yeah, I will do a part 2 of the video in the future. Part 2 about me. I will ask some questions and then I will, answer them on video. So yeah, I'm gonna do a part 2. But yeah, this is it for today's video. This was just part 1. Just a little Q&A about me. If so y'all can know a little bit about me. And before I leave, like I told y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, because I very much appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. It's only a simple little press, right? A simple little press, red, and they got plenty of them. It's even down here at the watermark. Press it, boom, there you go. On the channel, there you go, boom, it's everywhere. That means you need to subscribe. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell so y'all will know when I post. You won't miss my videos, and look forward to more videos to come. Pranks, I'm gonna start doing pranks, more challenges, fun stuff like that. So look out for that. That's why you got press on that bell, for you won't miss it. So yeah, look out for that, and thank y'all for watching this video. Thank you, I appreciate it, and I will see y'all in the next video. You know.